Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar fall 0.3% against the yen. The CCI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil rose 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
China's gold consumption rose more than 16% year-on-year to 554.88 metric tons in the first half of the year, while output climbed 2.24%, state media CCTV said, citing a report by China Gold Association. The euro hit a two-week low as a worsening downturn in Eurozone business muddied the bloc's rate outlook against the still hawkish European Central Bank, while the dollar rose ahead of this week's trio of major central bank meetings. Crypto banking firm BCB Group is on track to offer instant USD settlements by the end of 2023. The failure of Silvergate and Signature Bank created a clear opening for BCB, which operates behind-the-scenes payments infrastructure for millions of crypto enthusiasts.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Fed interest rate decision will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The US Fed's monetary policy statement at 1800 hours GMT. The French consumer confidence at 0645 GMT. Japan's coincident index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT. Australia's consumer price index at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.